My name is Gede Bagus Hardika Ngatara. You can call me Bagus. Number 3, kelas 12 HP 1. Okay, here I will present the report that I made, which consists of what is a restaurant, a statement of the problem, and the significance of the study. The definition of a restaurant in general is a place or building that is held commercially that provides good service in the form of eating and drinking. The restaurant is located in a hotel, factory, or it can be stand alone. How to make an attractive menu list? Here I will explain how I make a menu list that is attractive and can also be seen by local people. Utility, my restaurant had a target market of foreigners, but during this pandemic, many of the foreigners return to their country, so I will decide to have an local target market. In this menu list, I will make a package that can be enjoyed by many people. So some of the package that I will give to customer are as follow. On minimum basket, this minimal package is specifically for 3 until 4 people and at a relatively cheap price according to the price of local resident. To medium package, the medium package is also almost the same as the minimal package, only the portion of this package is bigger for 5 until 7 people, with price also according to local price. The maximum package, no hard, the maximum package is specifically for local residents who celebrate birthday. Also, this portion is for 10 until 15 people and has also gotten a special discount, which we will explain later. In addition to making packages on the menu suitable for local tongue, such as the food that I make for speak and extra local chili sauce. Before in run a restaurant, I was given knowledge by my father about who can manage and good restaurant. In addition, I also explain the material by my friend. To manage a restaurant that has been managed by my father previously, I will see how the marketing of the restaurant manager by my father. Do you already have a good and interesting marketing? Because during the pandemic, we must be to manage marketing as well as possible. I will tell a good marketing strategy to all of you. Number 1, make the most of the use of social media. 2, don't do it alone, find a partner. 3, profit discount and give to customer. Closing, after researching about restaurant, it can conclude that managing a restaurant during this pandemic is very difficult. Because of course in this pandemic period, we must really learn to understand about managing a restaurant well and effectively. In the pandemic period, there is definitely a lot of competition between us and other people. Therefore, we must really run our business and make it as interesting and possible, so that foreigners are interested in my restaurant.